Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are talking about the carbonic compound. We study about the IPC name of the chemical compound. So we are study about the name of the chemical compound. ये आज हम देखते हैं कुछ महत्वपूर्ण गिने चुने 20 महत्वपूर्ण आईपीएसी नाम मोस्ट पॉपुलर 20 IUPAC name. First question we take CH4 का IUPAC नाम क्या है? What is the IUPAC name of CH4 compound? So we want to know to you about the IUPAC name of the compound CH4. Option A recognize methane. Option B methylene. Option C methane. Option D methanol. The option will be C is correct. The IUPAC name of the compound CH4 is methane. Option C is correct. Now we see the question number 2. C2 या 6 का IUPAC नेम क्या है? इसका अर्थ हुआ कि व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द C2H6. ऑप्शन ए एथेन, ऑप्शन बी एथीन, ऑप्शन सी एथाइन, ऑप्शन डी एथेनॉल. तो द आंसर विल बी ethane. The answer will be ethane. Ethane is the saturated hydrocarbon which formula is CnH2n plus 2 where n is the number of the carbon atoms. Now we see the question number 3. C2H4 का IUPAC नाम क्या है? What is the IUPAC name of C2H4? Option A ethane, option B ethene, option C ethine, option D ethanol. So the correct answer will be ethane. The formula of the ethane alkene is CnH2n where n is the number of the carbon compound. So there are 2 carbon atoms, so its name will be ethene. Now we see the question number 4. C2H2 का IUPAC नेम क्या है? तो व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड C2H2? ऑप्शन ए इथेन, ऑप्शन बी एथेन, ऑप्शन सी एथाइन, ऑप्शन डी एथेनॉल. The IUPAC name of the compound C2H2 is ethine. The formula of the compound will be CnH2n minus 2 where n is the number of the carbon compound. Now we see the question number 5. C3H8 का IUPAC नाम क्या है? What is the IUPAC name of C3H8? तो ऑप्शन ए प्रोपेन, ऑप्शन बी प्रोपीन, ऑप्शन सी प्रोपाइन, ऑप्शन डी propanol. First we see the carbon is the 3, and hydrogen will be 8. 3 to the 8 plus 2. So its formula will be CnH2n plus 2, that is saturated hydrocarbon, so that carbon is the propane. Option A is correct. Now we see the question number 6. C3H6 डबल बॉन्ड का आईपीसी नाम क्या है? तो that is compound is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon are divided into two parts, alkene and alkyne. Alkene having double bond but alkyne having triple bond. We want to know the IPC name of the C3H6. There the atom of the carbon is 3. So what will be named? So A propane, B propene, C propine, option D propanol. So the IPC name will be propane. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. The formula will be CnH2n. Now we see question number next. C3H4 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड का आईपीसी नाम क्या है? What is the IPC name of the compound C3H4? Option A propene, option B propane, option C propine, option D propanol. The answer will be C is correct, propine. The compound formula CnH2n minus 2. Now we see question number 8. Question number 8. C3CH3OH का आईपीसी नाम क्या है? What is the IPC name of CH3OH? Option A methanol, option B methanol, option C methanoic acid, option D so there are the functional group is hydroxyl, so that will be alkanol. There are one carbon, so its IPC name will be methanol. So option A is correct. Now we see question number 9. CH3 bond COOH का IPC नाम क्या है? What is the IPC name of the compound CH3 COOH? That compound on the simple name the acetic acid or vinegar, but IPC name will be what? Option A methanoic acid, option B ethanoic acid, option C propanoic acid, option D butanoic acid. The answer will be ethanoic acid. So option B is correct. Now we see question number 10. CH3 bond CHO का IPC name क्या है? What is the IPC name of the compound CH3 bond CHO? There we can see the aldehyde group. Aldehyde group CHO or C double bond O bond S. That is the functional group That IPC name is alkanal. So there are the two carbon compound. So we want to tell you the IPC name of CH3 bond CHO. So option A ethanol, option B ethanol, option C ethane, option D ethanoic acid. The correct answer will be ethanol. So option B is correct. Now we see the question number 11. CH3 bond CH2 bond OH का आईपीएसी नाम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 CH2 OH? Option A methanol, option B ethanol, option C propanol, option D butanol. There are two carbon compound, so its IPAC name will be ethanol. So option B is correct. Now we see the question number 12. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3 का IPAC नाम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3? Option A propane, option B propene, option C propine, option D propanol. That is the saturated hydrocarbon. So that's IPAC name will be propane. So option A is correct because its formula is CnH2n plus 2. That is the formula of the saturated hydrocarbon. So the compound's name CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3 is propane. So option A is correct. Now we see the question number 13. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond OH का IPAC नाम क्या है? नेम क्या है? तो what is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond OH? Option A methanol, option B butanol, option C propanol, option D ethanol. There are three carbon atoms, so its IPAC name will be propanol. So option C is correct. Now we see question number 14. CH3 बॉन्ड CO बॉन्ड CH3 का IPAC नेम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond CO bond CH3? The answer will be propanol. Option B propanone, option C propanone, option D propanoic acid. Their answer will be correct. Answer will be the B is correct. Propanone. The formula of the acetone is R C double bond O bond R होता है. So that is the formula of the alkanone, where R is the alkyl समूह. Now question number 15. H bond C double OH का IPAC नाम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound H bond C double OH? Option A methanoic acid, option B ethanoic acid, option C methanol, option D methanone. The correct answer will be methanoic acid. That's simple name is the formic acid. That is the formula of the formic acid. That's IPAC name is methanoic acid. Now we see the question number 16. CH3 bond CH2 bond CHO का आईपीएसी नाम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2? Option A propanol, option B propanone, option C propanoic acid, option D propanone. The correct answer will be propanol. So option A is correct. Now we see question number 17. CH3 bond O bond CH3 का आईपीएसी नेम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond O bond CH3? Option A methanol, option B methanol, option C diethyl ether, option D methanoic ether. So that's IPAC name will be methoxymethane. Methoxy methoxymethane. Correct name will be methoxymethane. So that's answer dimethyl ether. That will be simple name, not a IPAC name. That IPAC name will be methoxyethane. Now we see the question number 18. CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH का आईपीएसी नेम क्या है? तो ऑप्शन ए एथीन, ऑप्शन बी एथाइन, ऑप्शन सी एथेन, ऑप्शन डी एथेनॉल. द करेक्ट आईपीएसी नेम विल बी एथाइन. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ the alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now we see question number 19. C4H10 का आईपीएसी नाम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound C4H10? Option A butane, option B butene, option C butane, option D butanol. The correct answer will be butane. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. The compound's IPAC name is the butane. So option A is correct. Now we see the question number 20. CH3 bond CH2 bond COOH का आईपीएसी नेम क्या है? What is the IPAC name of the compound CH3 bond CH2 bond COOH? Option A methanoic acid, option B ethanoic acid, option C propanoic acid, option D butanoic acid. Their carbon atoms is 3, so its IPAC name will be propanoic acid. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. So thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much nice.